press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, welcome to Idol Members.
I love your energy. Hey! Yeah.
Hi. So, कितना excited है for your show? It's your debut and it's your second web series in all Balaji. So how is this feeling?
Actually ये मेरा second ही है, मेरा भी second ही है अगर देखा जाए तो after Triple X. Yeah.
But it was so.
I know. Yeah, that way. Yeah. Even I agree. Yeah. Yes. I'm very excited. Woo! Yes, I'm really excited.
Yeah.
It's okay.
You want me to open it?
It's okay.
You're holding the mic.
Yeah, so obviously we're very excited for the show and it's going to be fun, super fun. We had great time making it. Hopefully you guys will have great time watching it.
So how is feeling for you to come again on us with the all Balaji?
It's been great. It was a great experience. Last time, मतलब मैंने जो किया था with PM Selfie वाली, that was a totally different experience. वो character भी मतलब वहाँ और निवेदिता सरकार was something else completely. तो but I enjoyed playing दोनों. In fact, I loved it क्योंकि वो इतना अलग था और ये इतनी अलग है तो I mean.
That's true. I've seen both the shows. So
I was lucky enough to be able to for Ekta ma'am and for Sir to have that faith in me कि वो भी कर सकती थी और ये भी कर सकती है.
So can you tell about your characters?
बहुत अच्छे characters.
I saw in trailer that बहुत अच्छे हैं and you're iconic and.
बड़ा immature है, बड़ा fun है, fun loving है, थोड़ा सा Casanova है, and इसका best friend है, हम दोनों मतलब एक दूसरे के best friend है and और क्या pressure है family का to become a doctor. He has his own personal dream of music follow करना है, कुछ ऐसा music में कुछ करना है and yeah.
He's very irritating and निवेदिता बहुत ही ज़्यादा irritate हो जाती है इसके साथ but something about him is very lovable also अभी like मतलब you can't people can't he's got a certain charm तो हाँ अब निबे वो किताबी कीड़ा है बिल्कुल she is बहुत driven बहुत focused बचपन से मुझे पता है कि उसे डॉक्टर ही बनना है और वो she's not very fashionable उसे कपड़े वपड़े के बारे में इतना कुछ पता नहीं मतलब वो करती नहीं है कुछ
प्रायोरिटी नहीं है
हाँ उसका प्रायोरिटी नहीं है लाइफ में उसका सिर्फ पढ़ाई बुक्स डॉक्टर बनना है एंड
सेट टारगेट है हाँ वही लाइफ
रियल लाइफ में कितने स्टडी हॉलिक हो
रियल लाइफ में मैं आई एम नॉट एट ऑल जैसा मेरा कैरेक्टर है वैसा मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ रियल लाइफ में आई फील अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लिटिल बिट फन पार्ट यस
मस्ती बात आई थिंक
हाँ मैं अपना वो जस्टिफाई करूँगा सो या but otherwise I think I'm mature I'm matured to my character but yeah otherwise बहुत अलग है मेरे लिए play करना ये character because as I said it's not something that I can relate with but yeah with instances and the friends that I have उनसे उनकी stories and सब चीज़ मिलाकर and the way that has been written I could like play the character.
It's your first web series. It has a main lead. So why you have to do this show only? What attracted you to do this?
Because it is very different. जो मैंने पहले कुछ किया है, yes, I have done youth shows and everything, but yeah, this is very different space. It's very realistic. I have not played a medical student. There are a lot of firsts that I have done in this series, and yeah, it is. मेरे को स्टोरी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगी इसकी जर्नी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगी कैरेक्टर की एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई कुड प्ले एज आई सेड आई कुड ये बहुत डिफरेंट है टू व्हाट आई एम इन रियल लाइफ सो उस वजह से भी एक इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा मुझ में आया एंड इट्स अ वेरी चैलेंजिंग रोल सो आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी दैट एकता मैम ऑल द टीम believes in me and I would love to be a part of the show.
Tell me about why you said yes for this web series.
Because वो इतनी अलग है from Tanya Thakur and PM Selfie वाली so different so I knew it would be challenging from the beginning only but at the same time I want to do it मुझे I love that you can play such different roles you know that's the most exciting thing for me so to be able to do that and to be able to do this was I was damn happy and lucky that they saw that in me. So,
and lucky to get that kind of roles as well.
Yeah, lucky to get something like that and something like this also. So, yeah.
Shantanu, any plans for the TV shows and TV serials after the D3? People are waiting you to come back and And a
Any
fan-
plan? मतलब I'm just waiting for the right script or right actors being offered to me. अगर अच्छे रोल्स आएंगे तो I will not. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं उनमें से होगी. मैंने टीवी करना छोड़ दिया है. I'm not like that. अगर अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आएगी, whichever platform it is, I don't really mind playing the role. If the character interests me, if the story is very interesting, I would love to be part of those projects.